it going, everybody? BCM here. So, oh man, oh, my life is so pathetic. Look at this. What this is a garbage disposal. It's a garbage disposal. I'm going to unbox a flipping garbage disposal. Oh, how pathetic is that? That I'm going to unbox a garbage disposal. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whew. A badger. It's beautiful. Oh. I've been wanting you for such a long time. What am I saying? Okay. Oh, it's a little freaky. Back away from it. Put it down. Back away from it. Thanks everybody for watching all. See you later.